Dreaming of obtaining citizenship in a European country while preserving your current nationality? Look no further. In this detailed video, we'll unveil the top 10 easiest countries in Europe where acquiring dual citizenship is within reach. We'll navigate through a treasure trove of information, exploring diverse investment prospects, residency criteria, and language proficiency prerequisites, essential for securing a second citizenship. Whether you're intrigued by investment pathways or navigating through specific residency regulations, we'll provide comprehensive insights into the simplest routes available for obtaining dual citizenship in Europe. Stay tuned till the end to uncover the streamlined processes and discover the most accessible European destinations for those eager to embrace dual nationality while enjoying the privileges of EU citizenship. So without further ado, let's begin. Starting our countdown at number 10, Italy. Known as one of the more accessible European Union countries for dual citizenship seekers, Italy opens its doors to those aspiring for additional nationality. Embracing dual citizenship, Italy allows you to retain your original citizenship while acquiring Italian nationality. Typically, to become an Italian citizen, meeting specific residence, language, and financial requisites is necessary. The standard residence duration stands at 10 years for eligibility, but exceptions exist. If you boast Italian lineage, citizenship could be yours in as little as 3 years. Demonstrating a basic grasp of the Italian language akin to a B1 certification is required to effectively navigate everyday conversations. As for costs, securing Italian citizenship varies. Expect application fees, document processing charges, and language certification expenses. Stay updated on the latest information by consulting Italian authorities or the nearest consulate. Now, at number 9, Norway awaits. While not an EU member, Norway stands as part of the European Free Trade Association. Operating under its distinct immigration guidelines, Norway welcomes dual citizenship under specific circumstances. To qualify for Norwegian citizenship, a minimum of 7 years of legal residence backed by a valid permit is typically required. Language proficiency in Norwegian, tested at B1 or B2 levels on the Common European Framework, is a pivotal aspect. Citizenship application fees may fluctuate based on various factors: age, previous Norwegian citizenship, and more. For the latest accurate details on residence, language criteria, and fees, it's prudent to refer directly to the Norwegian Directorate of Immigration or their official website. Making waves at number 8 is Belgium. Renowned for its accessibility in obtaining European Union citizenship alongside dual nationality, Belgium offers a clear path for foreign nationals aspiring to become Belgian citizens. Notably, the residency requirement is relatively brief, typically just 5 years as residence in Belgium before pursuing citizenship. In specific cases like refugees or stateless individuals, this period can shrink to 3 years. Language prerequisites encompassing Dutch, French, or German are essential but without excessively high proficiency demands. This pragmatic approach garners praise from numerous immigrants. Citizenship application fees in Belgium fluctuate based on individual circumstances, usually amounting to several hundred euros. Belgium's welcoming stance towards dual citizenship, coupled with manageable residency duration and flexible language and fee requirements, makes it a compelling choice for European citizenship seekers without the need to renounce their current nationality. 7th on our list, Luxembourg. Embracing EU membership, Luxembourg offers a citizenship pathway with adaptable criteria, allowing for dual nationality. To secure Luxembourgish citizenship, meeting specific conditions is imperative. Residence forms a pivotal aspect. Typically, a 5-year legal residence in Luxembourg precedes citizenship application. Nevertheless, this duration may be shortened for spouses of Luxembourgish citizens or holders of long-term residence permits. Proficiency in one of Luxembourg's official languages, French, German, or Luxembourgish, is usually mandatory and evaluated through language exams. Citizenship application fees can vary, and seeking the latest information from Luxembourg's Ministry of Foreign Affairs or relevant authorities is advisable. Moving forward to number 6, Portugal. Recognized as one of the most accessible EU countries for citizenship with the option for dual nationality, Portugal stands out due to several factors that make it an appealing choice for EU citizenship seekers. Notably, Portugal's residency requirement is notably shorter than many other EU nations, just 5 years of residency, whether temporary or through legal means like property investment. This duration may be reduced for specific applicants, such as investors or those with Portuguese lineage. Portugal's language requirement for citizenship is lenient, not mandating fluency, but rather a basic grasp of Portuguese. Additionally, Portugal's application costs offer a cost-effective route to EU citizenship. From Ireland's streamlined processes to Portugal's inclusive policies, you've explored exceptional options for obtaining citizenship with the privilege of dual nationality. Entering the spotlight at number 5, the United Kingdom. Post-Brexit, the UK, no longer an EU member, nonetheless provides a relatively straightforward avenue for dual nationality through its citizenship procedures. Typically, eligibility for British citizenship necessitates 5 years of uninterrupted legal residence, accompanied by an English language proficiency test, albeit with certain exceptions. Notably, the standard cost for citizenship application stands around £1,300, marking it as one of Europe's pricier options. The UK Tier 1 Investor Visa, a popular route, allows high net worth individuals to invest £2 million or more for residency, ultimately leading to British citizenship for eligible investors and their families. Given the substantial charges post-Brexit, staying updated with the current citizenship requirements and dual nationality regulations is crucial for obtaining British citizenship. At number 4, we arrive at Sweden, a European Union member renowned for its transparent immigration policies. Sweden emerges as an attractive option for EU citizenship seekers. While embracing dual nationality, comprehending the specific requisites and procedures is key. Typically, Sweden mandates a 5-year residency with a valid permit before applying for citizenship. Yet, this tenure shrinks to 3 years if wedded or in a registered partnership with a Swedish citizen. Proficiency in the Swedish language, usually akin to B1 or B2 levels in speaking and understanding, is a crucial criterion evaluated through language assessments. Citizenship application fees are variable. Therefore, checking the latest figures with the Swedish Migration Agency is prudent. Sweden's leniency towards dual citizenship appeals to those aspiring for EU citizenship while retaining their original nationality. Consulting pertinent authorities or legal advisors is advisable. Stepping in at number 3 is Greece. Nestled within the European Union, Greece offers a dual nationality pathway, alluring for those eyeing EU citizenship. Through investment-driven programs, Greece streamlines citizen routes circumventing traditional residency prerequisites. Take, for instance, the Greek Golden Visa program. By investing in real estate, individuals and families secure Greek residency permits. After a 7-year stay, Golden Visa holders can apply for Greek citizenship, all without renouncing their original nationality. Interestingly, language proficiency isn't mandatory for this investment-based route. However, given evolving regulations, it's crucial to remain abreast of the latest rules. Costs tied to obtaining Greek citizenship via investment differ based on chosen investments. Common choices involve real estate or capital contributions. Seek advice from Greek government bodies or legal experts for the most current updates on residency, language, and financial requirements. Claiming the spot at number 2, France. Acknowledged as one of the most accessible EU nations for citizenship, France offers the coveted option of dual nationality. The journey to becoming a French citizen is relatively straightforward, involving 5 years of continuous legal residence. However, this duration diminishes to merely 2 years for those who completed higher education in France or possess French familial ties. Notably, France boasts relaxed language requirements where applicants only need basic French language proficiency accessible through standardized language tests. With reasonable application costs ranging from €55 to €100, France's allure lies not only in its cultural richness and history but also in its promise of EU citizenship with the added bonus of dual nationality. And finally, taking the lead at number 1, Ireland. Acknowledged for its accessibility to EU citizenship seekers, Ireland's naturalization process offers relatively straightforward requirements compared to its EU counterparts. A notable advantage is the relatively short residency duration. Residing in Ireland for 5 out of the last 9 years is a qualifying factor. Exceptions exist. For instance, spouses of Irish citizens require only 3 years of continuous residence. Language requisites are accommodative, merely requiring a satisfactory level of English or Irish proficiency. Remarkably, Ireland embraces dual nationality, allowing individuals to retain their previous citizenship. While application fees are reasonable compared to other EU nations, staying updated on evolving requirements and fees is crucial. Ireland's citizenship approach appeals to those aiming for EU citizenship while keeping their original nationality intact. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 10 easiest countries in Europe for obtaining dual citizenship. From Italy to Portugal, we've delved into a wealth of information on acquiring EU citizenship while keeping your original nationality. Now, it's your turn. Which country intrigues you the most for securing dual citizenship in Europe? Are you enticed by the streamlined process in Portugal or the attractive investment options in Greece? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, the world of citizenship pathways is constantly evolving. For the most up-to-date information on residency, language requirements, and fees, consult official government sources or legal professionals specializing in immigration. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video insightful and share it with friends who might also be considering dual citizenship options in Europe. Hit the bell button as well if you'd like to see more of our future uploads. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon!